In today's society, one of the biggest problems in marital life is the loss of mutual trust. And when false allegations are made, the relationship becomes even weaker. On these issues, today we will understand an important High Court judgment. Namaskar, welcome to Delhi Law Firm. Here we explain every important legal information related to court marriage, family disputes, marital rights, and matrimonial laws in simple language.
The case we are discussing today is X versus Y, First Appeal number 334, a very significant decision of the Madhya Pradesh High Court, which clearly held that making a false allegation that the husband is an alcoholic amounts to mental cruelty. This judgment is important because in family courts, we often see that both parties make several allegations against each other: addiction, physical violence, character issues, financial harassment, mental harassment, etc. But every allegation cannot be assumed to be true automatically. And when an allegation is proven false, the court considers it serious mental cruelty.
Absolutely right. In this case, the wife made serious allegations against her husband that he is addicted to alcohol, he comes home drunk every day, he harasses the family, he does not allow peace in the home. But when the court asked for evidence, the wife could not produce anything concrete. No medical report, no police complaint, no witness, no neighbor, no other document. The court said making a false allegation is easy, but proving it is necessary. And if the allegation turns out to be false, it harms the husband's social reputation and affects his mental health as well.
Now let's talk about the facts of this case. The husband and wife were married many years ago. Initially, the relationship was fine, but gradually the wife started accusing the husband of being an alcoholic. She repeatedly said that the husband drinks, beats her, and behaves intolerably. Whereas the husband told the court clearly, he does not drink. The wife makes allegations without any reason. She is ruining his reputation in society. She insults him in front of family and relatives. The husband said, I don't drink, but my wife portrayed me as a drunkard and destroyed my social image. This is mental cruelty.
And the High Court took this point very seriously. The court also said that when a wife makes such a serious allegation without evidence, its effect does not remain limited to the home. Rather, the husband's image in society is damaged, family members misunderstand him, his reputation at the workplace gets affected, mental stress, anxiety, depression increase. The court directly said, this is mental cruelty and the husband is entitled to divorce.
The Madhya Pradesh High Court said that mutual respect is essential in marriage. If one party repeatedly makes false allegations without evidence, it destroys the very purpose of marriage. The court gave some key observations. False allegations constitute mental cruelty. Accusations like alcoholism affect social reputation. When there is no evidence, allegations become mental harassment. Unnecessarily defaming the husband amounts to cruelty. The husband can seek divorce and should get relief.
Now let's come to the legal framework. The court examined this case under Section 13(1)(ia) of the Hindu Marriage Act, which states any form of mental or physical cruelty is a valid ground for divorce. And what forms can mental cruelty take? False allegations, fake police complaints, doubting character, defaming husband or wife, lying in front of family, constant taunting, false domestic violence cases, misuse of Section 498A, false allegations about alcohol, drugs, character, etc. All these are forms of mental cruelty.
In this case, the wife repeatedly said the husband comes home drunk, beats her, and fights. But these allegations collapsed when neighbors said they never saw anything. The wife changed her statements repeatedly. No medical evidence, no report of assault, no 100-number call, no police complaint. The court immediately said these allegations are fabricated, and fabricated allegations constitute mental cruelty.
Here the court also cited several Supreme Court judgments which state false allegations amount to cruelty and give the spouse the right to divorce. Some important Supreme Court judgments are Vishwanath Agrawal versus Sarla Agrawal, false allegations amount to mental cruelty. Narendra versus K. Meena, false allegations poison the relationship. K. Srinivas versus K. Sunita, fabricated allegations fall under cruelty. The MP High Court followed these and said, when marriage is based on trust, false allegations break that foundation.
Now let's see what order the court finally passed. The court held the wife's allegations to be false. The court held that this is mental cruelty. The court said that the husband is entitled to divorce. The family court's order was set aside and divorce was granted.
This judgment is very important in matrimonial law because it shows marriage is not a platform for allegations.
Very true. This judgment also clarifies that not only women deserve protection, but men also deserve protection from false allegations. This is a balanced approach where the court ensures that no husband suffers mental cruelty, no wife suffers due to false accusations, the dignity of marriage remains intact, justice is ensured without injustice to anyone.
Now a big question. Will every allegation against a drinking husband be treated as false? No. If the husband actually drinks and behaves violently, the wife has the right to file a complaint, register a case, file a DV case, seek maintenance. But in this case, the allegations were without evidence, so the court found the wife wrong.
The court said, marriage is a sacred bond, but when lies, allegations, and mental stress make the relationship toxic, the court will intervene. So the importance of this case is not limited just to false allegations of alcohol consumption. It is a guiding judgment for all spouses suffering from false accusations.
Now let's talk about what someone should do if they are a victim of such false allegations. Stay calm, collect evidence, save messages or screenshots, collect medical and police records. Prepare witnesses, file a petition in the family court, take proper legal advice.
And if you are also going through such a situation, whether you are a husband or a wife, Delhi Law Firm is with you. We handle all India matrimonial cases, divorce, mental cruelty, domestic violence, 498A, child custody, maintenance, court marriage protection, orders, marriage registration, FIR quashing.
If you are facing any matrimonial dispute, false allegations, false alcohol-related accusations, mental cruelty, or family conflict, do not worry. Delhi Law Firm is always ready to help you. We handle cases all over India. For legal advice, court marriage, protection, divorce, maintenance, or any kind of legal assistance, contact us today. And do visit www.delhilawfirm.news. We are always here to protect your rights.